Hi guys, I'm David G. Camposano. This is our vlog and I want to share our laboratory facility. First of all, I'm excited to try the laboratory because I can apply what I've learned and gain new knowledge through experimentation. I expect to learn carefulness, proper use of laboratory equipment, and adherence to safety. That's all. Thank you guys.